It's Thursday evening. I am once again reporting to you north of the Avon Pier. Arthur is getting a lot closer to us. We got the report that he is actually taking a turn towards the west portion of Hatteras Island, so he'll probably be making an appearance through our sound in between the coming up the Pamlico Sound. Wind has started to pick up. You can really feel the pressure is starting to drop. We've got wind gusts up to about 25 miles per hour. It seems that probably around 8 o'clock tonight, within the next 20 minutes or so, we're really going to start feeling the effects of the hurricane. From last time I checked, Hurricane Arthur was out about 140 miles from Hatteras Island. So, going to try my best to get you guys some more reports. Looks like he's going to be visiting us this night during the nightfall, so we should see how that goes. Yeah, batten down the hatches. All right, well, here's a look at the ocean. The waves aren't too big, but they're developing, getting better. Here you go. I'll be back in touch with some more updates, and we hope to see you at the beach soon. Happy 4th of July. Take care.